And as you can see, guys, look how the coins are growing. These free coins are appearing now in the Match Villains game. Yo guys, free coins in Match Villains game. I have to say this is not any trick because these resources were already bought by our sponsors and they decided to offer this method so we can get these coins for free. So I'm starting by turning my power saving mode off. I'm just gonna enable and disable it to be sure. Then I want to show you guys how's my game before trying this method. So I'm gonna open it now, and as you can see, this is the situation. I really need more coins to be able to pass these levels. Firstly, I'm opening my browser and go to ontwig.com. Make sure it's the .com one. Here I'm searching for the Mesh Villains game to find it easier. Then I'm entering my username here, and of course I'm selecting Android because that's what I'm playing on, and I'm gonna go with the highest option of coins, which is 900k in our case. As I've already said, guys, these resources are given by some sponsors, so they require you to do a quick additional step in order to receive them. But don't worry about it, this is very easy, and you also have a small tutorial there in order to help you. Alright guys, let's go back to the game and check if this worked. And as you can see, guys, look how the coins are growing. These free coins are appearing now in the Match Villains game. And I'm gonna put my fingers above so you can see this is for real. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you also enjoy this method, and don't forget to leave a like, maybe even a subscribe if you wish. See you in the next one.